Hi, good afternoon. My name is Tom Meredith. I'm CEO and founder of P2P Cash. I want to thank you all for sticking around this afternoon and waiting on us. We're hopefully going to be able to entertain you and teach you a little bit about what we do. We should be having our logo on the screen right now that I want to basically leave 4 words with you today, and those 4 words would be send cash home free. P2P Cash has worked with SWIFT. In fact, we're a SWIFT partner, one of the smallest companies ever been accepted as a SWIFT partner. For 2 years running now, we have won the best startup, financial services startup for the SWIFT Award, and they flew us to their big annual meeting last year in Osaka. I'm going to Dubai in a couple of days to present globally to a room full of international bankers who we are seeking to partner with to be able to send cash, well, one way, send cash home free. So the whole concept here is that Western Union takes a lot of money out of people's pockets by taking 10, 15, 20% to move money from one point to another. With the advent of mobile phones, you now have 3 billion people around the planet that have no bank account whatsoever. So bottom line here is that we send money between cell phones, we do it at a very low price, and we do it through foreign exchange. So what we're going to do is we're going to run through a little skit where I'm in the United States, and I'm going to send money to my daughter who happens to be in India. So I type in her phone number, ask me, is this the right person? Ellie Meredith, my daughter. I say I want to send her $100. No, not 1,000. She'll go crazy then. Confirm the transfer. So at this point, I'm in the U.S., and I'm happy that I've sent $100 to my daughter in real time. So now we're going to switch to India.
Finally, my dad just sent me the $100 I asked for. All I have to do is go to a trusted agent and get the $100. That's right across the street from where I get my prepaid cell phone minutes. Hi, Don. How are you?
Hi, Ellie. I'm well today. How are you? Can we top up your prepaid cell phone today?
Actually, no. My dad sent me money through a text message, and all I have to do is get that money from you. How is that possible? You aren't Western Union.
Well, that's right, Ellie. We're not Western Union. I am a Trusted Agent Network member, and that means we disperse funds for P2P Cash globally. So today, we'd like to get you cash. You could also pay bills and spend within our store. How does that sound?
Wow, that's fantastic. What do I have to do?
Simply provide me with your photo ID, and I'll have to take a picture of you. Thank you.
Now at this point, our trusted agent is on the street corner. This is typically a prepaid phone distributor, of which there are thousands and thousands of every city in the country or around the planet, with the exception of the United States. We have a postpaid situation here. The rest of the world is prepaid. You have to prepay your minutes. So there's a fellow like Don on every street corner in just about every major city on just about every country. So what he's doing now is he's verifying. He's going through an OFAC database, make sure that she is not a bad person. He has taken her ID, he's taken a picture of her ID, he's taken a picture of her. He's basically creating a mobile wallet instant issue, meeting or exceeding the regulatory requirements of just about every bank on the planet. And right now he's verifying also, sending the transaction that I sent to her, verifying it so that he can actually hand her out cash in real time. This happens all in real time, running on the SWIFT backbone.
Excellent, Ellie. Your transfer went through. May I help you with anything else? Would you like to pay bills? Would you like to purchase anything in the store? Or would you like to collect your cash?
Wow, that's fantastic. I think I'll just take the cash.
Very well. Let me get that for you. Here's your cash. Phone with verification.
I'm so happy Dad sent me money via P2P Cash.
And I'm so happy to be a member of the Trusted Agent Network, driving additional revenue and profitability for my establishment.
And I'm so happy because back here in the United States, I was able to get instant verification that Ellie got the money and that I paid $0 to send this money. She gets the same exchange rate as Western Union or MoneyGram, but it costs $0. So if there's anything I want you to remember today, 4 words, send cash home free, and 0 price point. The way we make money is through foreign exchange. So are there any bankers here still left in the house? Anyone a banker? Raise your hand. Okay, there's a few. Bottom line here is we want to work with you in each one of these countries to help us with clearing and settlement, because the way we make money is the differential between the retail foreign exchange rate and the wholesale exchange rate. So, for instance, we're doing this with the largest bank in Kenya, again, riding the SWIFT rails, where we are working with the Kenyan diaspora here in the United States. They go online, give us a bank account, fill in their details. We do an instant transfer, send the text message to Ellie. She goes and finds an agent, either a banking agent as it is right now, or we're working on building out these agent networks in various countries. Typically, it's the prepaid phone guys that we work with. What's in it for the banks is the fact that we're splitting the foreign exchange with the banks. So it's zero cost to the consumer. They get the same exchange rate as they would with a Western Union or MoneyGram. The banks participate because now we're driving their diaspora. And this is what really excites Equity Bank in Kenya, is they're trying to reach out to their Kenyan diaspora worldwide. We're facilitating that, getting them bank accounts, getting money moved into it. They get half the foreign exchange. They get 2 new customers. So it's a really win-win for the banks who are seeking to reach out to the diaspora and to reach these 3 billion people who are currently unbanked. If you have any questions, my name's Tom Meredith. Don Chapman's our Vice President of Business Development. We're in one of the middle booths, and please vote for us in the show. So, again, thank you very much for your time.